Hey, what is up, everyone? So we have booked almost 3 lakhs 5,551 rupees today in the market. So this position has been carried forward from Monday. Yesterday and today. Yesterday we have gone into a profit of about 1 lakh and they have not booked there. And today, when the market opened, it was on a very good gap down. We have booked 3 lakhs 5,000 rupees, which is actually great. We have booked almost 30% of the funds that we have deployed for the trade. And also, I'll be walking you through the videos or my views from Monday. So in this video, you'll be seeing what has happened on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So I have cut short the video, and you can see it right there and see how price action works. So jump right into the video to understand how I took the trade, and also, yeah, thanks for watching the video. Jump into the video. Good morning. As you can see here, this is 31st July 2023, and it's around 11:30 a.m. in the morning. So Banknifty has opened in a slight gap up, and from there it tried to move up till 45,560, and from there it terribly fell down to touch 45,358. And from there, what we can see is a good recovery in Banknifty, and it has almost covered the day's high. And now I feel this is going to go take a double top at this point, and if it is not taking resistance at this level or the previous high, then we can see it going above 45,600 is what I feel is going to happen. So if it is a double top, then we can go for a good shot or buy PE in Banknifty 45,500 of August 10th expiry. That's what I'm anticipating. And then also, since there has been a huge decline in Banknifty of around more than 1,000 points, that is from 46,300, it has come down to 45,250, which is a 1,200 point decline, which means there can be a correction towards the upside before further falling down. So this is what we have in mind. If this is closing as a double top, and if there is another, if at all we can see 45,500 being broken, then we will see Banknifty moving further down. So looking at the OI, we can see that 45,500 has good put OI buildup, but looking at the last 5 minutes and 10 minutes, it shows that there are chances that Banknifty can go above 45,700. But again, with the course of movement, we will see how this is going to react. So we'll wait for some time, and we'll see how this is going, and then we'll enter into the trade. And also, since a movement like this has happened, it's not that ideal a market for options buyers. So we have a trend line which is open from 28th July 13:40. That's around 1:40 a.m. in the afternoon. So from there, it has been moving up on a linear note, and now what we can see is a double top which is occurred here. And if at all this is breaking below 45,511, and if this trend line is broken and sustained, that's when we'll be going for a buy in 45,500 PE of 3rd August, or else we will go for a buy at 45,300 PE of 10th August. So these are the plans that we have in mind. So yeah. We are going for a buy in 45,500 PE of 3rd August with 900 quantities in market price right now. We'll just see Banknifty breaking below 45,526, because there are high chances that there can be a correction from this level. So instead of doing that, we will just wait for like 2 or 3 more minutes, and then we'll go and execute this order. So I'm planning for 1,800 quantities and adding it at another 800 quantities when it slightly moves towards negative side. So we'll see. Yes, so exactly as I expected, this has moved up to about 204, and the trend line has been broken. So I'm gonna go buy, because the low is broken, but I'm a bit skeptical about how this is gonna be, because it does not sustain below the trend line. So any which ways, I'm gonna go buy 900 quantities of this here. Yeah, so we have had it at 995.34, and then we'll add another 900 quantities to this. So our average is 196.76. Yeah, we will see how this pans out. 200.9. Yeah, once this goes into a slight negative, we'll go and plan for a we'll plan for adding another 1,800 quantities. So that's what I have in mind for now. Right, so I'm adding another 900 quantities to the trade here, as Bank Nifty is trying to correct from this level, so we'll add another 900 quantities, which means we have it at 195, 198 and 200. So we'll see what is going to happen with Bank Nifty, and then we'll add another 900 quantities. So we'll wait for some time. We'll see how this candle is going to close, and then we will plan our trade. So that's what I'm planning. So let's see. Right. So I'm going to add that another 900 quantities because I strongly understand that this is going to go down from this level. And looking at open interest, it must be against our idea. But yeah, 45 400 has decent put OI build up, sorry, call OI build up. So yeah, we'll just average this with another 900 quantities. So yeah. So we have it at 195, 198, 200 and 193.6. So yeah, let's see what is going to happen with Bank Nifty. I'm hoping for 30 to 40 points stop loss and target. Let's see, we can modify our target or stop loss according to how the market comes out. So the position that we have carried forward yesterday from around this level, apparently, yes, from around this level, we are going to book profits of that right now. So we have gone up to a profit of about 1.1 lakhs, and that is well and good for us. So once it reaches back to 1.1 lakhs or 1 lakh above, we'll book our profits, or probably we'll plan for the right exit, and yeah, we'll get out of our trade. That is what I'm anticipating for now. And also looking at the open interest, we can see that it is at 45 400. There is good put OI build up, sorry, call OI build up, which means Bank Nifty can go down. And also overall, in the last 5 minutes, we can see that the update has been different, and in 45 100 is where good put OI build up is there. So there are chances that Bank Nifty can fall to that level. So let's see what is going to happen, and then we will plan our trades accordingly. So yeah, yes, I feel Bank Nifty on reaching 200, we can go for an exit is what I think. So yeah, that's all for the day. Let's see. We'll see how the profit booking goes. Hey, what's up, everyone? So this move was anticipated, and as we can see here, market has moved down by almost 400 points, and from the closing of 45,600 yesterday, market has opened at 245,240. In the pre-market, it was around 245,240, and from there it is trying to fall down. So below 45,241 is where we can expect a further downward movement. So the position that we have opened on Monday, and the that position was open till today in the morning at 9:15. Looking at the gap down, I have booked my position, and it is at we have booked 3 lakhs 5,551 rupees. Even though we have kept this position open, we could have booked more than 5 lakhs, but I'm not looking at that because the area where I wanted to book the profits was around 45,300, and it has already touched in the morning, and that's why I have gotten rid of the position. And also, when you have a huge gap down, there is a tendency that the gap filling and happen in the first 5 minutes itself. So in anticipating that, I didn't want to keep the position open. So now we have seen a decent PNL of about 3.05 lakhs, and 5 lakhs and all, it's okay. You can book 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs, but it's always better to save your position. So in the morning, I have gotten rid of all the position in market at 9:15 itself. I've gotten rid of all the positions. It was an impulsive exit, but I really wanted to do it because my target in the index was 45,300, and it was touched in the first 5-minute candle itself. So yeah, in a bigger picture, what we can see here is if Bank Nifty breaks below 45,241, we can see it moving till 45,038, and if that is broken, then again down. And if Bank Nifty goes back above 45,500, means we will see a further upward movement, and this resistance, which is between 45,573 and 45,632, should be broken for Bank Nifty to gain power towards 46,000. But there are chances that Bank Nifty can consolidate in this range for a week or two, and then this will give a breakout to any of the sides. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. And also, we'd like to say that we are not SEBI registered analysts, and all the videos in this channel are for educational purposes only. So yeah, again, thanks for watching the video. Bye.